Hello guys, Tank here. Welcome to my first video on my channel. Today I will be opening my Global Panda rewards. I have about 24 of Global Panda rewards to open on this video, hoping to pack at least a few legends. And I still have the tickets to open in the ticket store. Probably open 3 Paragon Gold pack and hoping to get at least legend 1 of those 24 packs and 3 on the Paragon Gold packs. Let's get started. Alright, my first Global Panda reward. Hoping to get a legend on the first one on this video. And it's Ray Allen. Alright, not bad. Alright, on to the second one. Come on, let's go. Please be a legend. Ooh, okay, I'll still take it. Alright, this is my third one. It's not looking so good right now. Alright. Wow. Two-star cards in a row. Alright, I'm gonna go all the way in the bottom. Hopefully the 20th pack be good to me. Ooh, yes! An icon. That's pretty good. Hopefully I get duplicate Richard Jefferson. Can we get back-to-back icons? No, we don't. We go backwards. We get 2 stars again. Hoping for a Global Panda reward luck pack to give me some good luck. Hoping to pack at least one legend. One legend. I'm only asking one legend. Come on. I got 2 duplicate D'Angelo Russells now, so I'll upgrade into a pro. Alright, come on. Give me a legend. 2 stars. Lorenzo. It's a good card. Alright, come on, NBA. Give me some luck. Oof. My 4th star in a row. Not looking so hot on these packs. Dwight Howard. I have a duplicate card now. I'm probably turning him into a pro card again, I guess. Alright, on to the next one. Hoping for a massive back to Hayes. He's a good card. I might upgrade him if I have his duplicate card. Alright. Let's go for this one. Come on. Be massive. Ooh, Brooke Lopez. I believe that's my 22nd icon I have. Alright. Hopefully we get another icon on this one. Ooh, we already got him. So we could already have his pro card already. So hopefully we get another one. And we could just upgrade it to have two DeRozan superstar pros on my team. And we get Tracy McGrady icon. Nice. Alright. You have 9 packs left. Hoping to get a legend, please. And we don't. Wow, it's just going backwards now. I was getting good icon cards. Pretty good. I'm happy getting those icon. Hopefully we get a duplicate. And now we have back-to-back star cards again. We're down to 6 cards packs to open and hoping to get at least one legend out of these 6 last ones. And we get Larry Bird. Alright, the 5th pack. Can the 5th pack be good? And it's Jason Williams. Not bad. My 4th. Big, massive, be legend. No, it's not. At least I got a superstar. That's good. Alright, my 3rd. Hopefully we get at least an icon or a legend. That'll be good enough. That's my 3rd pack, and we don't. Okay, we're down to 2 packs, and we still gotta open the other packs, the tickets, and we get Donovan Mitchell. Alright, well, let's go, come on, be an icon, and it's Kawhi Leonard. We could turn him to a pro card. We already have his duplicate card, so we have 2 of them. Okay, now we're gonna be opening my goals tickets, Paragon Gold pack. Alright, let's do this. Hopefully we get a legend, please. One legend out of this pack. Ooh, pretty good, pretty good. Not bad. Not mad about it. Hopefully we could get an icon out of this pack. Come on, the second one. Come on. We get Jalen Rose. Alright. And my final one. Can we pack a legend on this last pack? And it's going to be James Harden. Not bad. I'll take it. Not bad. Let's see how many icons I have. I have about 23 icons. And I have about 1, 2, 3, 4 pro cards. And I only have 2 legends. Okay, guys. You guys are looking for a team to join. You could join the Powerhouse Hoops. Um, Send me a message in below if you want to join our team. I'll be glad to take you on my team and hoping to get active players to play a lot so we could do like the gauntlets and other events that are gonna in the future. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.